Hey, Sophia here. Thanks for joining me again on Technica for this tutorial. If you're struggling with a Google account lock or FRP lock on your device, you're in the right place. In this video, we'll show you all the possible ways to bypass the FRP lock and remove the Google account lock. These methods work for any Android device, regardless of the brand or model. I know how frustrating it is to try different tools and services, only to find they don't work. You're not alone. I've been there too, spending money on solutions that failed to bypass the lock. But what if I told you there's a better way? A method that's faster, safer, and, best of all, completely free. That's right. This method is not only free, but also tried, tested, and proven to successfully bypass FRP locks on a variety of Android devices. It has worked every time I've used it. So stick around until the end of the video and I'll show you this incredible solution. Ready to unlock your device? Let's get started. Please keep in mind that this tutorial is only for those who own their device, but require assistance due to the fact that they have forgotten their login information. We are not tolerating illegal things that unlock stolen devices. We must all adhere to the lawful practices and respect each other's rights. Our videos are all complying with YouTube's terms and conditions. Are we clear? Let's jump to the tutorial. Before starting, ensure the Android device is fully charged to prevent interruptions during the process. Now, grab another device with a browser and internet access. This is where we will access the online tool and perform the unlocking process. Open a browser and go to unlockgeek.com. Once the website loads, you'll find various unlocking tools. Since we're focusing on bypassing FRP lock, select the FRP Unlocker option by clicking the Access Here button. Now, fill in the necessary details of the locked device. You'll need the IMEI number of the Android phone that you want to unlock. If you're not sure how to find the IMEI number, click the Android Tutorial button for guidance. Once you've found the IMEI, enter it in the provided field. Ensure the IMEI is correct to avoid any issues during the process. Now, select the Android device option to match the phone you're unlocking. Click the Unlock button to begin the FRP unlocking process. The tool will start processing your request, which may take a few minutes. After the process completes, restart the device to check if the FRP lock has been successfully removed. Upon restart, the device should no longer ask for the Google account login, and you should be able to proceed to the home screen. Upon restart, your Android device will ask for initial setup just like it is a newly bought device. Just proceed and do all the settings one by one. You can now see that we are all set. Let's click Finish to check if the FRP lock has been removed. As you can see, there is no Google account logged into this device, which means we have successfully unlocked it. Congratulations, you've successfully bypassed the Google account lock, and the device is now ready to use. Did the method not work for you? We've got an alternative. We're giving away 300 unlocks weekly to our viewers. Here's how you can join. Like the video. Subscribe to our channel. Leave a comment with your device model. Make sure your comment includes your device model, IMEI number, and your country. Complete all steps and you'll be automatically entered in the weekly unlock giveaway. Ensure you provide accurate details for a smooth process. Best of luck. Thanks for checking out this tutorial. If you found this useful, remember to hit that like button and subscribe for even more tech tips and content. Make sure to click the bell icon so you never miss any of my new videos. Got thoughts? Share them in the comment section. I always read your feedback.